Hi, I'm Kim, and I'm doing a STEM project on homemade laundry soap. So, this is how much regular laundry detergent it takes to do a regular load of laundry. And we're going to show, I'm going to show you how I can decrease that by making my own. So, the ingredients that we're going to need, did you stop it?
No.
The ingredients that we're going to need are 1 tub of OxiClean, 1 box of Borax cleaning booster, 1 box of Arm & Hammer pure washing soda, and a box of regular baking soda. So what to do for this is, I've also ground up some Fells Naphtha by Purex. So what you want to do is mix the Purex Fells Naphtha together, and I use 3 bars of this. And next you want to pour in your OxiClean. And then you'll need to get your 4-pound box of Borax.
Okay, yeah, there's no Oreo. Well, opinion, reason, evidence, or opinion.
And pour that in there. Smoke is terrible in here, guys. Wow. And next you want to pour in your super washing soda.
Let's finish the words. I think if we get at least tasks going down, that will help.
Yeah, and then I could use task 2 in maybe 20 minutes after the ties. And task 3.
That was a 3-pound box of super washing soda. And you'll want to pour in your 4-pound box of baking soda.
Until after.
And as if this didn't gas you out enough, we have to stir it together now. Oh, come in. Closer.
Hey.
Coming over the...
What's happening?
She's doing her
And you want to make sure that it's all nice and mixed together, because this is what you're going to be, your final end product is going to be, so you're going to be washing with it. And if it's not evenly distributed, then it won't work as well. So we've been stirring for about 5 minutes, and it's starting to get swirled up in. You gotta make sure that all the Fells Naphtha that we put on the bottom is spread throughout your mixture, and you'll notice that by how it turns yellow, kind of. And if you're stirring it after about 10 minutes and there's still yellow pockets that keep coming up after you've stirred the bottom, that means you just haven't stirred it good enough. It actually looks just about ready. Alright, and this is what the end product looks like. So, you remember that in the beginning, we told you that you needed a cup of laundry detergent like this to do your laundry. But it turns out that with this formula, you only need this much. well, 2 of these.
I have an idea for the cookie.
That
Give them to the neighbors. They should
that cut down
little like saying with it, and I can.
about 3/4 of a cup.
What I'll do is we'll get them these.
So that's your laundry detergent.